King piers out here in Olathe. We've got the French drain trench wrapped with petromat. Now we're coming in with the rock, 1-inch clean rock, about a foot of it, all the way through here. Getting everything in place. We're now hauling the rock. Once we get about a foot of the rock in here, we'll come in with 2 pieces of PVC, 4-inch PVC, lay them right on top of the 12 inches of rock. We're gonna wrap this PVC will have pre-drilled holes in it. And we'll wrap the PVC with the petromat, tape it up, lay it on top of the 12 inches of rock, and then dump more rock on top of it. That PVC will run down here to this field inlet, to a pop-up box. It'll run into a PVC box, probably about a foot by foot, and then it'll leach into that field inlet. So anyway, stay tuned. There we're dumping more rock. King Piers out here in Olathe. Just about finished. It won't take long now. A lot of rock we had to dig through. Look at that big rock right there. Oh, it's a rock. Down here's pretty good dirt. This is the dirt we'll use to backfill on top of the last layer of rock. We'll petromat over the last layer of rock before we put any dirt on it. And then we'll come back with some grass seed and then some mulch. That'll be about it. King Piers, www.kingpiers.com. Facebook is, take a look at our videos. We are absolutely by far the best in the business at raising houses, controlling water. I believe we're the only people that do it this way, but I've been doing it this way for close to 30 years, and I've never had a call back. The only problem is dealing with the utilities running through the trench, as you can see. That's why we hand dug this. I would not want to break any of that because it's going to cause me a big problem. So we did this job. We didn't break anything. Everything's went nice and smooth. It's a little cloudy outside, but we're getting it done. All right.